Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and in this video I will share my interview experience in Mindtree. So guys, actually I had given the interview in 20 July at 4 am 2021. Okay, so guys, you can see here in the same day, that is 20 July 7:50 p.m. I got the selection mail. This is actually the selection mail. I will show you also the mail, and here I you can see I received the mail from Mindtree Careers. You can see the mail. So this is not a fake mail, I think, and I'm scrolling down the mail. Actually you can read the mail, and here I got the link, and this link I had to upload some details, like not a upload, I had to fill some details like my pan card number, my previous company's details, because there I had given the interview as a experienced candidate, so I had to fill my previous company's all the details. And in a drop down, it was populating some city's name, which city I want to join, so that city I had to select, and after that I had to submit. So I did everything, and after that same day I called to the recruiter, so for the next process. So recruiter told me tomorrow HR will get back to you for the salary discussion part. So tomorrow means I received the mail 20 July. I called the recruiter 20 July also, and I wait 21 July 21 2021, but I didn't receive any call from the HR. So 22 July I called to the recruiter again. Recruiter told me it will take 4 more working days, and then HR will get back to you. So that time I told to the recruiter I'm holding some other offers. Actually I was holding some other offers from other MNC companies also, but I'm not saying the name of this company. And one company's last round of interview was left, and so I told to the recruiter same thing. So recruiter told me, yeah, you got a selected in Mindtree, so if you want you can cancel the reject, the offer, also you can reject the offer. So I did the same. I canceled all this offer which I was holding, and I also just reject the interview, or the last round of interview which it's remain. So because guys, the thing is, because Mindtree was giving me the opportunity to join in my hometown location, but the offer which I was holding, these were the outside of my hometown, and but the interview which it's remained the last round, so that was in my hometown, but I reject this one because I got the selection mail already from the Mindtree. Okay, so guys, I wait 4 days more, but I didn't receive any call from the HR again. So I called to the recruiter again. So recruiter told me it will take 28 more working days more, because some internal audit is going on. So after completed the audit, I don't know what is exactly, after complete the audit, so after 28 days HR will get back to you. So that time I wait up to 40 days. Okay, and I called to the recruiter again. So recruiter told me, actually that is for which project we hire the candidate, so the project is filled by some other candidate. So when we will get a new project, so that time we will posit your profile first of all. So I asked the recruiter how many days it will take to get a new project. So recruiter told me we don't know exact time, but it may take 20 days more. So I wait the same, and I called to the recruiter. So that time recruiter was saying that is you may give the some another client interview. So in some defined time, different thing recruiter was saying. So I told the recruiter, okay, I'm ready to give the client interview, but first of all when I will join the company on Mindtree, so after that I will get the client interview. So see, recruiter told me, no, you have to be give the client interview first of all. So that time I told the recruiter, so why you why I got the selection mail if I have to be give the client interview again, so why I go receive this selection mail. So recruiter told me, I don't know exactly, so but you have to be do that. So I told okay, so how many days, after how many days. So recruiter told me it will take again 20 days more. So after 20 days I called to the recruiter. So that time recruiter was saying that I was trying to reach, but your phone was busy, because I connected all this candidate whose profile is in hold. So I told this all this candidate that is your I mean you are not selected again because your selection is withdrawn. So I don't know what is the thing actually. So recruiter told me this kind of thing. So that time I realized that recruiter was saying lie actually, because no one called me during these days, and that I was busy. If because if would someone call, so I got a alert that is I mean suppose if I call to someone, everyone's phone it's happened, like if someone busy with some cause, and that time during this time if some others called you, so they get a alert message. Okay, I mean alert that is some other is calling to you, but it doesn't happen to me. So that time I realized that recruiter was saying lie actually, and she moving actually different thing different time she is saying different thing. And also the during these days actually I posted in a Quora, like the my question was that is how many days might it take to send the offer letter after the selection mail. So to read this Quora, some other candidate who got this selection mail, so they connected to me in Instagram and the LinkedIn also. So I that time I they told me the same experience, that they also received the selection mail, but never get any call from the HR. In someone's it already they spent 4 months, but they didn't call. And in my case you can see till date I also completed the 4 month, because I got the mail in 20 July and today is 23rd October, and I mean 3-4 months I already spent, but I didn't receive any call from the recruiter, because already I mean the HR or any other from Mindtree's employee for the next process. So in my case I rejected some offers, but good thing was I didn't or resign my current company, but some other people who connected to me, they also resigned his current company also, because they was getting some better opportunity in Mindtree, and they also got the selection mail. So that time they thought this is the MNC company, they have the responsibility if they are sending the selection mail, so they are, it is it is their responsibility that if they are rejecting his offer, so send me the proper mail actually why. So after sending the selection mail, why they are delaying, so it's their responsibility, but they didn't do with any single candidate. Just one candidate connected to me the Instagram, and she also gave the interview as an experienced candidate, and in my case I also gave the interview as an experienced candidate. So his experience was like 8 years of experience, and that he got the call only from the Mindtree, and the communication was like that. Mindtree's employee called him and just said, you have asked me the hike, we cannot give you that hike, and that's why you were rejected. So when this man actually asked, so how many you can provide me, so that time they hanged up the call, never discussed any further, actually just said you had asked me the hike, and that hike we cannot give you. And after that they hang up the call. Okay, not discuss the negotiation or not, nothing else. Okay, so this is the thing actually, someone rejected his current company, someone in my case I rejected my other offers. So this is MNC company Mindtree, so this would be the responsibility when they are sending a selection mail, but I don't know why they can do this kind of thing actually. So if you got this kind of mail newly, and so don't hope on this mail until you are not getting the offer letter, because offer letter is only one proof that is you got a selected, but until you are not getting the offer letter, so don't believe on this mail only. Okay, so this mail is not not a proper proof that you got a selected, because it's happened with me and some other candidate. I mean maybe the 100 people also connected to me in Instagram, because this is the career matter, because someone reject the company. So after watch my the Quora's post, some 100 100 candidates connected to me. So 100 candidate when they connected, so I was thinking it happened how many candidates, because 100 already connected to me. So that's why I made this video. Actually I shared my interview experience. I'm not saying I mean saying bad of any other company, just I'm sharing my interview experience with Mindtree. And if it is Mindtree is any employee is watching, so just check it. This one, this is the some internally issue. I mean this is auto generated mail. It's generating by automatically. It is some bugs or not, so fix this bug. If it is bug, any bug, so fix this one immediately, because it's just damaging some other candidate's career, because this is the selection mail, you can read. So after getting the selection mail, they are the responsible for the next process, because this is the good company. So I don't know why it's happening. So if you also got this kind of mail, or some known person, you are watching this video and some known person of you also got this kind of mail, so please share this video. Maybe this video will help you, because maybe they are thinking to resign his current company. And after, if they once resign his current company, so I don't think so they can withdraw his resignation letter. So that's why share before his resign from the current company. So share this video, and if you find this video is helpful, so like this video, and also get more update, please subscribe my channel also.